Let's see. It says, this is from Allison. What do you do when you use deodorant every day, but your armpits still smell? Well, that's bold.
Oh, thank you, Allison, for sharing that. It is a good question. And actually, a lot of people have this issue because, yeah, that's where we sweat, our armpits. And not all sweat smells. In fact, when you think about the liquid that's coming out, it's actually odorless. What's happening is it's interacting with the bacteria on your skin, and when it breaks down different chemicals, that's what causes the odor. So what are those chemicals and what can you do? First of all, think about what you're eating. And we all know, or at least most of us have realized, that when we have really kind of spicy food, you can definitely get that odor seeping through your skin. But also things like onions and garlic, all of that, you're gonna really get that very...
Stay away from me. Those are my 3 major food groups. Yeah, I don't care. That's why I buy super strength antiperspirant deodorant.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that. Alcohol as well. That's one of those things that
Yep, another one of my food groups.
Yeah, you guys are really, okay. But what you're wearing also makes a big difference. So you want to make sure you're sticking to natural fibers. Cotton is great. This is going to really wick away the moisture, absorb it, because moisture is actually something that really helps, bacteria grow and thrive. So you want to be dry. Make sure you stay away from the rayons and the synthetic fibers if this is an issue for you. And then, of course, the deodorant. And when you're thinking about deodorant, you want to think about at least 12% of aluminum chloride, because that's really going to help as well with the odors and the chemicals that are being released there. So you want to get an antiperspirant and a deodorant, so it's going to help you smell.
Both, right?
You need both.
Things.
Right,
the antiperspirant keeps you dry, and the deodorant keeps you from stinking like what you eat and drink.
Exactly, that's right. So those are all things that are going to help. And no, you don't have to stop the garlic and the onions, but if you have this issue, you may want to do it in moderation.
Gotcha.
Yes.
No. Aren't they great?